Chapter 2, Internet, a Global Network. What is the Internet? The Internet is a huge network connecting millions of computers all over the world, allowing users to share information and communicate with each other. Uses of the Internet. 1. You can search information using search engines. 2. You can send and receive emails. 3. You can watch cartoons and movies, play games and listen to music. 4. You can book tickets for bus, train and plane journeys. 5. You can shop online for groceries, clothes and mobiles. 6. You can do online banking. Internet terms. www, World Wide Web. It is a collection of web pages on the Internet that contain information accessible to all. It can be accessed using a web browser. Many websites do not use www but are still a part of the web. Web browser. A web browser is an application you use to surf the Internet. Microsoft Edge is the default browser on Windows 10. It is user-friendly and helps to browse the Internet quickly and efficiently. Below are the examples of some popular web browsers. HTTP. HTTP is the short form for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The entire World Wide Web uses this protocol. URL, Uniform Resource Locator, is a unique address for each website. The URL of any website can be entered in the address bar of the web browser. Web page. It is a digital page on the Internet which contains information, images, videos, etc. Website. A website is a collection of web pages linked to each other. Each website has a unique URL which needs to be entered in the address bar of the web browser. Search engine. The Internet is a collection of thousands of websites. The search engine helps us to search a particular piece of information across various websites. Some of the popular search engines are Google, www.google.com. Bing, www.bing.com. Yahoo, www.yahoo.com. How to use a web browser. 1. Click on Start. 2. Select Microsoft Edge. Or double-click on pinned icon on the taskbar. 3. The Microsoft Edge window opens. Parts of a web browser: back, forward, reload, home, new tab, bookmark. Important buttons on the web browser. Back. When you click on back, you are taken to the website visited previously. Forward. When you click on forward, you are taken back to the website you visited before you clicked on the back button. Reload. When you click on reload, the current updated website reloads. New tab. When you click on the new tab, it allows you to open another website in a separate tab. Bookmark. When you click on bookmark, it saves the website address. You can revisit it for later reference when needed. Home. When you click on home, it takes you to your saved home page. Settings. When you click on settings, you can view more options.